Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got a fun one for you. Well, some of you guys might not find this one as fun as others, but what we're going to talk with you guys today about is how many Chi gas tokens your favorite Ethereum mining pool is minting with zero gas fees on your miner's dime and time. Let's say what? Yes, that's right. So, as always, guys, in the description down below, we'll have links to everything so you can do your own research. But this article came out a little earlier today from compassmining.io. Like I said, in the description down below, we'll have links to everything. But what we are finding out is when you mine, a mining pool is mining an Ethereum block, what they're able to do is they are able to rearrange things and actually mine thousands and thousands of Chi gas tokens with zero gas fees. And they're doing that all on the miners for their pools, time and dime. So, as you guys know, your mines are probably as blown as this, as mine right now. I'm still trying to do some research. There's not a lot of this. I did find a couple articles, so we've got a lot to get into here. I know you guys will have a lot of questions on things, so let's get into it. As always, guys, please, in the description down below, check out these links. The first one, like we said, is from compassmining.io. William Foxley put this article out. This is from earlier today. And this states, empty blocks are a secret gold mine for Ethereum mining pools. Ethereum mining pools stumbled into a huge payday from minting thousands of gas tokens. Nobody noticed. I didn't know. I mean, you guys probably didn't know because nobody's talking about this yet. So, this is pretty nuts, guys. You guys know there's a lot of stuff going on Chi right now. Chi gas tokens. We're going to talk with you about that a little bit here as well. But empty blocks don't necessarily mean empty pocketbooks, at least for Ethereum mining pools. Okay, guys, and as always, I did not put this article out. We got the description down below, the link for it. But this is currently stating mining pool Spark Pool and F2 Pool, the first and third largest Ethereum mining pools. And if you head over to MININGPOOLSTATS.STREAM, Ethereum, you can see Spark Pool is number 1, F2 Pool is number 3 currently on those Ethereum, as far as the Ethereum hash rate goes on MININGPOOLSTATS.STREAM. And those 23 and 9% respectively of the hash rate have begun minting large batches of Chi gas tokens to offset lost income from empty blocks. Empty blocks means, guys, there's just not a lot of transactions going on. As things change, you know, those blocks actually aren't filled all the time. Well, what you're able to do with bots and other things, the mining pools themselves, they're able to rearrange and change some things. Well, what they're able to do is they've begun minting large batches of Chi gas tokens to offset the lost income from those empty blocks, according to on-chain analysis. It looks like this revenue stream marks a first in the ever-changing Ethereum mining landscape. You guys know 1559's getting ready to hit in the pipeline here not too long from now. You've got a 2.0, which is supposed to be within the next year to year and a half. All sorts of shenanigans going on with Ethereum right now. This can't be good. I mean, people are definitely manipulating the blockchain, and it's not the miners, guys. I need people to see this that aren't miners to understand one thing. Miners aren't doing this. The mining pools, the people actually, you know, controlling how the blocks go, are rearranging things. So it's not always the miner's fault. Actually, miners from miner extracted value (MEV) have actually lowered those gas fees for you guys. It's actually changed things a little bit here. So don't always beat up the miners. Thanks for not killing us here. But some 240,000 Chi tokens, worth an estimated $8,000 as of this writing, have been minted with zero gas price in April alone, according to data compiled by 1inch.exchange. A further 89,235 tokens were minted in the same manner in March, when the practice became noticed in some mining circles. So, guys, this stuff, you know, January this was going on, not a lot in February, don't really know what caused it to really shift, but then all of a sudden, boom, it looks like they figured it out, and they are jamming Chi gas tokens with zero gas. Both Spark Pool and F2 Pool have acknowledged the launch of Chi minting programs, which the latter pool pinned on latency of block validation times, leading to an opportunity cost trade-off for empty block mining. You can read F2 Pool's blog posted on April 21st here. So that's definitely something that we're going to check out here in just a second. You go down here for Chi minting volume. You can see in April, especially as we get towards the end of the month here, we've got some serious Chi minting going on. So Chi mints are in overtime. And as always, guys, in the description down below, we'll have links to all this stuff. There's some really good other articles and things that you can kind of learn about this. But gas token minting highlights a major trade-off of using mining pool for building blocks on behalf of miners. It is unclear if either Spark Pool or F2 Pool plan on sharing profits from Chi mintings, even though miners supply the hash power, enabling the block's creations or forging fees to mine empty blocks. If miners had a hand in block selection itself, as proposed under Stratum v2, there would be less asymmetry in profit sharing. Gas tokens are marketed as a method to store gas on Ethereum network, a function similar to an on-chain options contract. So lots of crazy stuff going in here about these gas tokens. We're going to get to you a little bit more here on this. 1 inch, they introduced the Chi gas token here June 5th. 2020 was when it looks like it was first really talked about. All sorts of fun, interesting things for you to learn about what is a gas token and everything. Lots of fun stuff that you'll learn in the description down below. You guys got to check this out. If you're new to the channel, guys, now's a good time. Hit that subscription icon in the upper right-hand corner. Please give us a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let us know what you know about this. Let us know if you're a mining pool operator and you're planning on paying this out. Just let us know what you guys know about this. But we've got some articles so you guys can see everything about this. But you guys can see here on CoinMarketCap, Chi gas token is currently $3.30, and it's had a pretty decent run here, up almost $8, $6.95 plus. So if they are minting this stuff, basically creating these for free on your dime and my dime, they are making some serious loot off of us, guys. Over here on MININGPOOLSTATS.STREAM, one of the things that we've started to see is plus MEV profits. Some of these mining pools are actually showing you how much they're paying you. I expect all of them to start to follow. So when you're choosing your mining pool, that might be definitely something that you want to check out here. Also on MININGPOOLSTATS.STREAM, you know, whether it's PPS plus, PPLNS, how many miners are online, their hash rate, percentage of network hash rate, mining fees, minimum payouts, all sorts of stuff you'll be able to find out over there. So I did go over to Spark Pool to see if sparkpool.com to see if they had anything about minting Chi gas tokens or MEV over here. We go down, we find some different things on the different servers or different ports, those types of things. Talks about network hash rate, price, a couple other network mining incomes, daily incomes. You can see that we've definitely started to go down here since 4/19. Reason for that, guys, is not a lot of people are using Ethereum right now, and that's just because the gas is so high, they're going to other places. So if people aren't using Ethereum and network, there's still a lot of difficulty, a lot of people on the network, but nobody's using it. Our Ethereum rewards are closer to that 2 that they should be. They're still inflated over 2, but that's why you see those rewards down. But I don't see anything here as far as stating that they are minting Chi tokens or planning on paying that out. I did head over to F2 Pool as well, f2pool.com, to see, and they don't have anything here talking about minting Chi or anything like that. But we can go to this article here. Let's go ahead and pull it up right here. Oh, head back here. Looks like we closed that off. Sorry for that, guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up right here. Open this up in a new tab for you guys. We will blow it up. Into the meme pool, empty blocks. And this was posted April 21st, so this is last week. Empty blocks, what are they good for? And as always, guys, in the description down below, like we talked about, we got links to this. Empty blocks, what are they good for? Absolutely nothing. That's right. If the block's not full, it doesn't have extras in there, guys. It's not paying us. I mean, that 2 Ethereum is what you earn for the rewards. Currently, there's extra rewards on top of that, depending on network availability, how many people are on the network. All sorts of crazy things go into that. The incentivized mechanism, which is built to enforce proper behavior. Mining empty blocks is a side effect of the chain's development, crypto economic growth. And what they mean by that, guys, is just with the price of Ethereum booming through the roof, mining Ethereum, mining everything is going nuts right now. So the various reasons as to why empty blocks have been mined in the past have been covered extensively. We're not going to get into that. But why do mining pools mine empty blocks? In short, many empty blocks are mined because of the inevitable block validation time lag and its consequences on mining fresh blocks versus invalid blocks. To understand this concept, let's go on a journey describing the life cycles of a hypothetical miner, guys. Oh my gosh, there's so much shenanigans here, and I don't want to go into all of this. You guys need to do your own research, but I got some great articles so you guys can see what's going on. As we find out more about this, we will talk with you more about this. But holy cow, guys, one of the things I know 100% right now is if a mining pool can mint chi with those empty blocks and doing that using zero gas. If they're doing that with zero gas, then they're doing that on my dime, your dime, everybody's dime and time. And I don't know if that's cool or not. You guys tell me down below. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about that. Like I said, that's pretty interesting here. We've got that in the description down below. A Medium article posted from F2 Pool. So they pretty much just copied and pasted that. And that is from April 21st. We're going to go ahead and link in the description down below. You'll be able to check out F2 Pool to see any shenanigans there. If you want to check out Spark Pool as well, we'll have links to that. If you're from Spark Pool or F2 Pool, please comment down below. We're going to tag you on Twitter. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. If you're MININGPOOLSTATS.STREAM and you're tracking this, are you going to put this stat up here for us? I know in the past, as soon as plus MEV was able to be tracked, you guys got that out there. Huge thank you to MININGPOOLSTATS.STREAM for the great service that you provide to the community. You'll be able to head over to CoinMarketCap.com, check out Chi gas tokens. You'll be able to check out the current price. You can check out one exchange. There are several exchanges, places that you can get this Chi gas token, Uniswap, 1x Exchange, BKEX, and Hotbit. As always, guys, you guys got to do your own research on some of these things. Is this pump and dump? No, nothing like that. We got a lot of good stuff going on here, but just do your research. Please be careful on those types of things. We'll also send you that Chi, or the 1inch introduces Chi gas token, and this is an article from June 5th, 2020. So this stuff's been around for just a little bit. I do want to say a huge shout out to compassmining.io for putting this article out. This stuff's new. I haven't seen much about it, guys, so we're probably one of the first people to start breaking this to you guys. Very important. Check that link in the description down below so you guys can do your own research. I appreciate your time. Appreciate you guys, the community, having us in your home as always. This has been a great talk about Chi, mining empty blocks, and whose it costing. Well, it's definitely costing the miners, but is anyone paying it out? Are those mining pools paying it out? How much Chi is your favorite mining pool minting without sharing, without spreading the wealth? My name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. Thanks, guys.